Okay, so here's a spreadsheet that I put together. These numbers are actual numbers as of March 24, 2020, noontime. And that every day or every, you can go online and you can find them at worldometers.info. And it's updated constantly. So this snapshot, and I'm not going to go into details about the numbers. I'm just trying to give everybody an understanding of my point of view of what I'm seeing through social media and the mass media. So this is the numbers that we constantly daily on the news and on the internet and everywhere. So it basically gives you the countries, the total of cases, new cases, total deaths, and the new deaths per day. So as you can see, they're ranked China, Italy, U.S., Spain, and we're constantly fed this day in, day out. And as the numbers increase, people are freaking out. And like I said, there's a lot of things related to numbers. So how are the numbers put together? Anyway, that's a different story. So what number they should be actually focusing, not just this number, but the actual number they have to be looking at and sharing with the masses is, bear with me here, this number here, okay? So this is the total recovered from the actual cases reported. So you got your total cases that have recovered from what was originally reported, okay? And then you subtract that, basic math, folks, and you get your active cases, okay? These are still ongoing active cases from the original number reported, okay? And then there's another breakdown they provide, but again, nobody shares it with us, which I find interesting. Seriously critical cases. So from the active cases, the ones that are seriously, okay, when you go to a hospital, there's different codes. This is seriously critical, and here is the number, okay? What's interesting is the media does not report it, okay? And I can't answer you as to why, but if you don't want people to panic, this is the number you have to be looking at. It doesn't mean you can still go out and get out of isolation. No, they're trying to stop it in its tracks until a solution comes to either a vaccine or some sort of medicine. So I agree with that. But at the same time, with every negative, you should present also the positives. The other set of number, which I'm trying to see if I can pull in, is the ranking by population, which is right here, okay? So this column here is the population of that country and how it's ranked and the median age in that country. It's all data that's available from the same website, okay? And this is interesting, what changes this are. So let's go to this other sheet, which basically shows us, bear with me on a little adjustment here. Okay, beautiful. So the ranking by country, okay, this is based off of population. Check out those numbers. China, 1.4 billion plus, okay? Age group, average, 38. Urban population, 61%. COVID-19 ranking, 1, okay? And you go down the list, look at the numbers, the most populated countries in this format into the ranking, okay? What the median age group is, go down all the way down, okay? And what the COVID-19 rank is for each country. Just want to show you guys, since we're all in Canada, Canada is ranked 39th with 37 million people. 41 is the age medium. And as far as COVID ranking, we're at 17 right now. Okay. So if you go down, it lists every country. Greece ranked 87 with 10 million people, 10 and a half, almost 10 and a half million people. The average age is about 46. COVID right now is ranked 37. And you just go on, and it just basically lists all the countries. What I wanted to share this with you is because, here's an interesting one. North Korea, 54th, 25, almost 26 million people. They have not reported one case, which I find interesting. But let's go back for summary. So I know it's a tough time for everybody. Everybody's in isolation. We're not used to this. Everybody's freaking out. But I wanted to put this together to kind of, hopefully, like I said, shed some light on, you can do the research yourself. I put this together based off of the website, and no, I'm not sharing it with anybody. If you want to better and grow yourself, it's always best you do your due diligence on your end, just like as if you were doing a business plan, okay? But my close summary is the world is going to change, both politically and economically. You can quote me on that. And if these countries have the largest masses, what will businesses do in the new world is my question. I leave it at that. So hopefully hopefully it has you thinking in a positive way, and I'll leave it as this. I like to use the setting like what we used to use in the class is the reset button. And it may come to it. Reset button. I'm not talking about the nuclear button. The reset button. That is a term used at the course that I took back in 1980. And it was basically related to the economy and resetting it, starting from scratch. All right? Something to sleep on. God bless. Hopefully you found this helpful.